Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an alt account on Discord and use two accounts at the same time. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you're gonna need to do is close Discord completely. So you can go to the top right hand corner to close this window, then go to the taskbar, click onto the arrow for hidden apps, and then right click onto the Discord icon and click quit Discord. Now, I want you to go to your web browser and open up a new incognito window. To do that, open up your Chrome browser, add a new tab, and then you want to click onto the three dots in the top right hand corner of this page, then click onto new incognito window. As you can see, now you want to click onto the search box and type in Discord, then press enter using your keyboard, and of course click onto the first result to enter discord.com. And from here, what you want to do is go down to this open Discord in your browser button and give it a click, then click onto register down here written in blue so you can make a new account. Now in this page you want to fill in all the information that is needed, so I'm gonna type in an email that I created previously, so make sure to use a new email. The display name is gonna be video, and for the username I'm gonna type in something like video tutor. And finally, for the password, I'm gonna make sure to type in a password that I can remember. Now you can enter your birth date right here and then take this box if you want to receive emails from Discord. Don't worry, it's only optional, and after that you can click onto continue. And here create your first Discord server. I'm gonna click onto create my own for me and my friends. And here you can customize your server. I'm just gonna skip this and click onto the purple create tab, then skip again, then click onto take me to my server. Now it's gonna ask you to check your email so you can verify your account, and to do that open up a new browser tab in normal mode, not incognito, and you're gonna find this email and click onto verify email just like that. And it's gonna open up a new tab and you will see this message telling you that you have successfully verified your email. Now go back to your Discord account that you have opened in incognito, and then you wanna refresh the page. After you do, go to the direct messages section and click onto add friend. Then come down to this box and type in the username of your main Discord account to add it as a friend, then click on to send a friend request. Now you can go to the Discord app. As you can see, we have a pending request up here, and here's the account I just created. Click on to accept request. Now we can go ahead and invite our alt account into our server. So I'm gonna go to the left and click on to create invite, then search for the username of your alt account, and once you find it, click on to the invite button next to it. Now, if I head back to the alt account, you can see that I received the invitation, so all what is left is to click on to join right here. And now you see I can use both accounts in the same time in this server, one on Chrome and one on Discord app. So that's it, that is how to make an alt account on Discord and use two accounts at the same time. I hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.